Hi everybody, and welcome back to another eyeshadow tutorial. So today I wanted to do like a mixture of clean girl plus baddie, okay? Not that I'm either of those, but you know, I can always try. So I'm using the Makeup by Mario palette. This is gonna be just a simple eye look, but you're gonna look good at the end of the day, okay? And anybody can do this. So I'm starting off with that shade from the Makeup by Mario palette. I'm putting it in my crease, going back and forth, and I really want this to be really well blended. So I blended out like crazy. Obviously I cut a lot of it out, but I just went back and forth, really making sure like there aren't any weird harsh lines. Taking that shade, a little bit of a darker brown, that's going in the outer V and in the crease as well. Again, back and forth. I really, even though my shades might look a little messy, you guys know I clean that up with concealer, but again, I really wanted it well blended and all of that good stuff. I'm a millennial, so I love eyeshadow, so this look is very simple and easy for those of you who like simple, easy eye looks, okay? This is a Revolution like cream eyeshadow stick. I thought they looked really cool, so I got this one. I don't know the color, but I will leave it down below. A little bit of shimmer, guys. I know I probably shouldn't have added any, but like I said, I just love eyeshadow, so I added a little bit of this stick, and then right on top I'm taking this shade just to like kind of set that cream. At first I put on like a lot of shimmer, and I was like, okay, I wasn't going for this much shimmer, you know, I want it a little more toned down, so I just blended everything out. I went over the shimmer, I blended everything out, and it toned down the shimmer just a little bit. Here, I'm using my black eyeliner by Wet n Wild. It's my favorite. You cannot go wrong with this eyeliner. It's super affordable, so easy to use, and very, very black. Of course, I'm going to be posting a YouTube short that shows how I finished off my face makeup, my clean girl baddie face makeup. Okay, so I decided to kind of like buff out my eyeliner. I never do this, but I wanted just more of like a smokier look, so I buffed it out just with a brown from the Makeup by Mario palette. And then it is time to clean up my edges. As you guys can see here, this is my favorite part. Look how nice this looks. You can see how well everything's blended and all of that good stuff. So now I'm concealing underneath my eyes. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I just can't live without this concealer, guys. I love it so much. To set my under eyes, now I'm back using the DERMABELND loose setting powder. This is such a good powder. Nobody talks about it, but it's so good. I'm just setting my under eyes, making sure, you know, they're nice and set and I don't have any creases. I'm taking the brown in the Makeup by Mario palette, like a dark, dark brown, and just lining my lower lash line, and then I'm blending it out with my transition color. And then I took that shimmer all over the lid, I took it on the sponge tip, and I put it right in the inner corner. Look how pretty that was. Oh my god. So this is my final look. Did I do a little clean girl baddie look? You guys gotta let me know. I don't know, I actually really like this look. This is probably what I'm going to be doing for New Year's. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. I will see you in my next video. Bye!